drag and drop any effect on your RØDECaster Pro 2. If you want to go even deeper, or if you have some effects that you want to do, drag and drop to these sections that you have on your computer, you can come here on customize smart pad. Now we are able to customize name, color, you're able to clear, or you're able to drag and drop your effect like I told you before. And if you did something that you like, that you're proud of, you can just come here and export, and you can change as well how you want to control when you press. Can do loop on, loop off, replay, continue, toggle, hold, or one shot. Subscribe for more RØDECaster Pro 2 tutorials and watch the full video on my channel.